What's up, Airsofters? Airsoft Jake here today with another Airsoft gameplay video. Today we're playing Bomb Squad at Moosehead Airsoft. The object of Bomb Squad is for one team, the terrorists, to take a bomb and destroy a held building held by the Bomb Squad. My team is the Bomb Squad. We have 3 lives and 10 minutes to hold this building from the terrorist group trying to plant a bomb here. Let's get to it. The building we're supposed to defend is not only our objective, but also our only spawn point, meaning that if the enemy team is crafty enough, they should be able to overwhelm us easily. We can only also go so far out of the building, to the extent of the bus to the left of the building and the catwalk above it. So, our options for a counterattack are extremely limited. Knowing the enemy is going to be primarily focused on the blue house, me and 2 other of my teammates decide to go into the bus and use it to get a better firing angle on the enemy when they're attacking the building.
Up top. In what corner? Okay, that guy just broke back.
While I failed to mention the game is restricted to the village only, the rep did not. However, some of the enemy players decided to go back into the red room. I'm not too flustered about it. They weren't too hard to take down.
You good, dude?
Wait, if they come through here.
Yeah, make sure somebody's watching this door right here.
Yeah, you keep going there. That's where we're going.
Okay, I'll swap with you. Contact! Upper stairwell! Hit!
Well, so much for that plan. While a life wasted is never good, it does let me know that the enemy is pushing from that left flank, and that I can get a better angle on it from up on the catwalk.
Good. You up? You're dead? No, I'm good. You aimed a hit? I have no idea. Can I get up to the Can I get up there? Yeah. All right, I'm moving to you. All right. Clear the way. Coming behind you. Yeah, I got you, man.
I can't get him. They're shooting straight down this line.
Right here. Ah, who wants house?
Already got 5 headshots at this place.
Oh, nice. I'm gonna keep my light up. Hopefully he's gonna get scared and leave.
There's a storm that's trying to shoot through the hole to find out where they're at. Alright, line up.
Okay, hold up. Contact, 12 o'clock.
Another headshot.
Oh! The Redneck Ninja. Everybody's favorite. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put your kill markers up on the video. Oh, what? Is that it? No. X-ray down.
Ambulance.
Where?
Shooting by ambulance. I'm
That's-
running back behind.
I see him. I'm gonna wait for the shot.
Man, your gun is barely firing. Why are you mad?
It's a mid cap. I'm good. I just exchanged. I'm gonna get you out of here, man. Guys, get out of the house!
The ref just threw a TNT bomb inside the house. A TNT bomb works like a thunder beat and is different from the placeable charge that the enemy team is trying to use.
Now, Mike. Well, that's wonderful. I didn't bring my speed loader with me either. At this point, I think they're just scared.
Oh yeah, dude. I've been kicking them off. What is it? You're not going to say, ow!
Oh, hold up.
Whoa.
We're hunting airsoft players.
While shooting at the wall might seem pointless, it does have effect. By using the hop-up and the tilt of my gun, I can corner these shots where they'll almost curve around and hit the player when it bounces off the wall. This is going to cause that player to make dumb decisions, either to lose his position and fall back, or to make a bold move and get shot.
That is wasted.
Ooh, that was a good shot. Take that. Coming up the catwalk.
Yo. Examine the area. Oh, me and this guy about to go at it. Word. Hey. Possible contacts moving up the ramp. Tell me if you need. I don't even know what kills I'm getting right now. I'll have to. Huh? Let's see. Hey, back up, back up. Hey. Oh, this was concrete. Wonderful thing to say in front of the bad guys, Michael. We're winning right now, they haven't got us yet. I'm gonna get you. Nice. Good teamwork, man.
Right here, I covered Ninja as he crawled up to get that enemy kill. This simple fire and move strategy is deadly in Airsoft.
You get the hell of ricochets. Bottom of the stairs?
Watch your back. Watch your back.
Make sure they don't get that bomb! Come on, buddy. I know I hit you. I saw it. I ain't gonna get mad at you. Hold it!
Hey, Lester, he's hit behind the bank. I just shot him in the head. He's right there on the other side of you. Never kill, Ranger.
Ah! You're killing me, Michael! Get in the grit!
That about wraps wraps this week's video up, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw, leave a like. If you want to see more content, consider subscribing. If you like the field I was playing on, go check out Mooseherd in Dixon, Tennessee, or at mooseherd.com. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and this is Airsoft Jaeger, signing off.